Hello and welcome to WELOWA Tours and Travels. My name is Michael Der and I am the founder of WELOWA Tour and Travels based in Lira, Northern Uganda. At WELOWA, we visitors, tourists, business travelers, and organizations enjoy a smooth and a stress-free experience in Northern Uganda. Whether you are arriving for tourism, business or city tour or special event, we provide you VIP bus pickup, accommodation assistance, city tours, local guidance, and personalized travel support. Our goal is simple: to help you feel comfortable, safe, and confident from the moment you arrive. If you are planning to tour Lira, Northern Uganda, WELOWA is here to help you. On this channel, we will be sharing travel tips, city tours, local attractions, accommodation recommendations, and hidden gems across Lira and Northern Uganda. If you are planning to tour Lira, Lango, Northern Uganda, WELOWA is here to help. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for our journey. WELOWA Tour, we on the ground, you on the mission. Thank you for watching.